Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This video is going to cover how to trade the EMA with divergence. Very simple and effective strategy, works in all time frames and most currency pairs, actually all currency pairs, depends on market condition. And the good part about this strategy is that it doesn't require you to trade trends, it just works on every market condition. Alright, cool. So what do you look for? A rule of thumb is whenever price is below the EMA, you're looking for sells, and whenever price is above the EMA, look for an example. Whenever price is above the EMA, like here, you look for buys. All right. So what confirms a buy or a sell? Let's say price is below our EMA. We're looking for sells. You want to look for a divergence, right, on this RSI indicator. It's right here. The name is right here, RSI divergence indicator. So pretty much the good thing about this indicator is that it prints the divergence for you, so you don't have to do it yourself. For example, this one has been printed, and bear in mind, this divergence indicator does not repaint. Doesn't repaint, so therefore it is very accurate. Let me show you guys something. I'm gonna take a cell here. You can see there we had a divergence, and we are underneath our EMA. That's a nice trade there. You can see there we got a trade. We have a divergence right here, but it is not really. Let me just check quickly. Yeah, we have a divergence, but if you look closely, it is not really a divergence. So if you understand what the divergence is, it's pretty much when price when the divergence is making a lower low, but price is making a high high. So you can see price is making a high high here, while price is making a high high, while our indicator is making a lower low. You can see there. So that works. I would take that. That's a nice trade. Stop loss right here. Take a nice sell there. All right. Just look for some more. So our price is now over our EMA, so we're looking for buys right now. Price is not giving us a nice divergence here, so we're gonna skip that. Let's keep that. Gonna keep going. Just keep going. All right, cool. So we get something here. Price is above our indicator right here, and we get a nice divergence. You can see price is creating a lower low. Lower low. Wow, divergence is creating a high high, lower high. All right, so we can go ahead and take this trade. That's a valid trade right there. As you can see, smashed it. And yeah, man, it is simple as that. Try it out. If you need more, if you have questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.